So it's a little bit warmer today, but did some more cleaning the barn out and working on the mini skid steer. This thing here, this track come off on me today. This one here. So once I figured out how to fix that, wasn't bad. Got it back on. Away we went. This thing is phenomenal for cleaning out the barn. Last 2 years we had cattle. 3 years. I think it's 2 years. I have broke my back cleaning the barn out by hand, and wow, I think I might have shoveled 5 shovel loads full of manure out, because that's just stuff in the middles and corners that you can't get. But this is phenomenal, cleaned out. Like, I am very happy. I still got a few other things I gotta do. Over where the goats were last year, or year before, I think it was year before. I don't remember. Anyway, I'm gonna split that into 2 stalls, and once I have them set up, good to go, I'm gonna move Roscoe over there so I can clean his stall out. He'll only be over there for a day, so it won't be a big deal. But he'll go over there and I'll get his stall cleaned out, and then once his stall is cleaned out, he'll go back into his stall. I've also, we'll go around here. So much see it here, but back here I started putting up a wooden fence around the area here. So I'm going to finish that. Between these 2 posts is going to be a hay feeder, so we'll be able to back up with the truck, drop the round bale, open up the hay feeder, roll it in, cut it open. They'll be able to eat it from there and not have to go into where they are, like we did last year, to put hay in for them. Yes, Roscoe. And with this wooden fence here, all around, where Roscoe's not trained to the electric yet, this will keep him contained. And that we built the other year, I gotta trim these off a bit right here, but we're gonna put the gate there, and we'll be able to open and close that. If the power goes out or whatever, we'll bring all the cows and goats into here, close that gate, and they'll be contained in here. We don't have to worry about them wandering off. With no electric in the fence. Storms and stuff, we can bring them in, do the same thing. I'm also going to put a gate across here, and what I'll do is, if I'm cleaning the barn out, I'll obviously I'm putting the gate in front of the barn. I'll have that open. I don't want the cows going in and out in the yard. So if I put a gate here and close it off, they can't get over here, so I can keep that gate open. I can back and forth with the skid steer stuff, cleaning out the barn. So that's the plan there. But yeah, no, I'm very happy with how well that cleaned out. And Roscoe, he's over there. So yeah, that's if anyone's thinking about getting one of those mini Chinese skid steers for cleaning out a barn at least with a cement floor, I'd assume same with a nice compacted dirt floor, it is wicked. I spent probably, all told, 2 or 3 hours, and majority of that is just learning the operation of it and moving around, and going up and dumping the loads by myself is a pain, because you can move a lot of material with it. So, but other than that, they're wicked. Like I said, I had I put the new choke cable on. That works great now. I had to fix the track that come off. That's great. So one of these days I'm going to go through and do some maintenance on them, and I'll make sure to post that. With me not doing anything to them other than fixing the little things that come up, it's great. The excavator runs great. I got new engine oil and hydraulic fluid for that, and the skid steer. One of these days soon, I'm gonna change the oil and hydraulic oil in both of them, and got new filters, everything, so that everything's running fresh. So, but no, I'm very happy with them.